everyone, we will put our hand in the sewn position and then draw the outlines. Here we are making a happy corn. Draw the outlines as we are drawing in the video. Draw its eyes and give it a smiling face. Draw its hands and color it. Give it a cute hat on its head and it's ready. Now we are going to draw a helicopter. Put your hand in the sewn position and complete the body. Draw its window, give it a stand and draw its fan and then color it and it's ready. Now we will draw a smiling tree. Put your hand and give it an outline. Now draw the bushes on the top of each fingers as shown. Draw its beautiful big eyes and lips and then color it. Now we will make a big palace. Outline your hand as shown and then draw its boundary. Give it a window. Draw the flags on the top of each fingers. Draw its door and put some trees around it and then color it and it's ready. Now we will draw a cute dinosaur. Draw the body of a dinosaur. Give thorns on its humps and tails and his head. Draw a cute eyes and 4 legs and color it. Now we will draw a corn. Draw the body of a corn, give it a cover and draw the outlines as we are drawing on its top. Now put some lines as we are drawing inside the corn and then color it and it's ready. Now we will draw a snail. Draw the body of the snail as shown in the video. Draw its back, draw its cute eyes and a smiling face and then color it and it's ready. Thanks for watching.